Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files from Windows 10. So this is really easy. First step you need to do is go to the search bar and type storage. And at the top here, you're going to see storage settings. So once you get to this point, you're going to go to temporary files. And here you're going to see a list of things that you can select to delete, to remove from your computer. So I'm gonna select them all. Make sure you go over this, make sure you don't delete anything you don't want to. So all you have to do is once you select everything, you click on remove files, and it's gonna take a little while to complete.
2 hours later.
So once everything has been deleted, you can see all the uh, downloads, temporary files, everything will say 0. I was searching the internet, so that's why there's 2.1 megabytes on temporary internet files. But everything should go back to 0. So if we go back here to all of the temporary files, you can see now it's not 3 or 4 or 5 gigabytes. It's about 900 megabytes. So hopefully this video was helpful. Again, just make sure that you're deleting things that you don't need, that you don't delete any programs that you want to keep around, or pictures or things like that to run your computer. And please leave a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.